Friends, I have prepared something for you, but what Divya just now gave a speech, you heard? Divya's speech you heard? Very powerful speech. She was telling how how do we how do we how do we create leaders? We need leaders, Divya said. Where are you, Divya? You are the one. Now, this leadership, I was thinking about it. So I want to tell you, I was involved in 3 types of program in my career, last 50, 60 years. One is building a satellite launch vehicle, put a satellite in the orbit, first time you have to do. And the second one, Rohini, the second one was the Agni missile, reaching the target. Third one, Pura, providing urban amenities, rural area, 7,000 India has to establish. That idea I am focusing now. Now, question is, if you ask me, what did you learn out of the 3 major programs? What the type of learning, what the leader should look like what? The leader, what the type of profile leader should have? Number 1, leader must have, can you guess children? Leader must have vision. Okay. Leader must have, he should be in a position to see 10 years, 15 years away what's going to happen. Next one, passion, vision alone not sufficient. Leader must have a passion to realize the vision. Agreed? Yes or no? Third one, leader must be able to travel into an unexplored path. Okay? Now you are going to repeat with me what is courage. Okay? Unexplored, to travel in the unexplored path, you must have a courage. Will you repeat with me what is courage? Are you ready? Hungry? Huh? Ready? Okay. Courage to think different. Courage to invent. Courage to travel into an unexplored path. Unexplored path. Courage. Discover the impossible. Courage to combat the problems and succeed are the unique qualities of the youth. As the youth of my nation, I will work with courage to achieve success in all the missions. That means now you got courage. Okay. Now tell me, how many of you want to become engineers and scientists? Lift your hand. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. How many of you want to become doctors? Not bad. Good. How many of you want to become great teachers? Okay, next guy. How many of you want to become great IAS officers? Oh, lot of guys, IAS officers. IAS and IPS also. Okay. Now tell me, how many of you want to become political leaders? Oh, fantastic. Now, this guy, you go, get up. What lifted, you are the one, isn't it? Political leader. That girl, yes, political leader. You tell me, as a political leader, what will you do? What is your dream?
My dream is, today India is facing too much of crisis.
Yes.
There is too much of terrorism.
Yeah.
I exactly can't stop terrorism alone. I need the help of the people. So first, the citizens of my country should understand why the terror is happening. You should understand the point why the terrorist attacks are being taken. And we should try to cue that first. And the second, I would like to express that we can succeed in the work we do if we have passion and if we work with full effort.
Okay, very beautiful thoughts. Beautiful thoughts. Beautiful thoughts. Now, how many of you want to go to Mars? Fantastic. I will meet you, all of you there, okay? Okay. When I was 95 to 99, I will meet you there, okay? So wish you all the best. Now, the one important thing, when I see you, all of you smiling, will you repeat with me? I can do it.
I can do it.
We will do it.
We will do it.
And India will do it. Just now you saw a political leader. One student want to become political leader with the confident courage. Okay. Now, courage you have said already. The another one, we need what is knowledge. When you go out of this campus, beautiful campus, from the time I enter, lot of flowers. Most important thing, students are smiling, teachers are smiling, and management smiling. Smiling is a good symptom that you are acquiring the knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge has got three components. One, creativity. Two, righteousness. Third, courage. Just now you said courage. Okay? So, right, that is knowledge is equal to creativity plus righteousness plus courage. Courage just now you all defined. Now let us take the creativity. Will you repeat with me? Okay, you are good girls and boys. Okay. Learning, you are hungry, some of you. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you Oh, fantastic children, very smart children. Okay. Knowledge makes you great. Okay. Now, what is the next one? Very good, righteousness. Now you have to repeat with me. Okay. This is intended for first row people also, second row people also, third row people also. Okay. Intended for all of you. Even big guns can repeat it. There is righteousness in the heart. There is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. Harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. That means, friends, you have one character, that is righteousness in the heart. Then you get beauty in the character, you get harmony in the home, then you have order in the nation, and then you have peace in the world. But righteous in the heart, how do you get it? Guess, righteous in the heart, how do you get it? Who will give us? Who will give us? Well, I attempt you guys to follow me. Righteousness in the heart can be given only three people. In a spiritual environment, father, mother. In a spiritual environment, drawn by spiritual environment, father, mother. Third one? Guru. What teacher? Guru. Primary school teacher.